Hey guys, this is my first video in a very long time. I just want to show you this really quick glitch. I'll be going back in um, I'll be going back next month to YouTube. So I just want to show you this really cool glitch I found. So if you go to body style, as you can see, so basically this only works on mobile. So basically, I just accidentally found this glitch. As you can see, my accessories are already glitching a bit. But if you want your accessories to grow or shrink like crazy sizes, it's actually really easy. So all you gotta do is move it very slowly, and then you just keep pulling down and pulling down, and it'll just keep growing. And if it stops, then you can move slowly again and then do it again. And as you can see, it's growing and growing. So this is a really cool glitch. Like the video, share it. If you want to see more videos like this, then go share it. This video can get 100 likes. I'll do some more glitch videos like this. 100, that's a lot, since my channel rarely gets any views anymore. The most we ever got was 280 something, but I think we can do bigger. So as you can see, it just keeps growing and growing. This is insane. The first time I saw this, I was like, what the hell is going on? Now it's just fine for me, since I know it already. Hope you guys enjoy the video. You can try this for yourself if you're on mobile. And yeah, peace out. Goodbye.